What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. We're gonna do a little highway POV today. I'm hyped, bro. I'm so hyped. Put on sport mode. I need to turn down. The speed limit here is pretty high. Make sure all of you guys go the speed limit when you drive, you know. I'm here to promote legal activity. You know, any kind of illegal activity you've ever seen, it's all CGI. But welcome back to the video, guys. Seriously, thanks for the support. We're basically at 12K, I think, when this video comes out. I appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys like the video right now if you guys enjoy this type of content. I'm really excited because honestly, dude, I think me buying this M5 is coming pretty freaking soon. And I'm honestly really freaking hyped. I'm gonna try to get it before the year ends, but worst case scenario, I'll get it, you know, freaking next year. There's always freaking time. But guys, always keep in mind, the only reason why I'm even buying it in the first place it's because I've worked really hard to get there. Like, I'm not just doing it just for the hell of it. Like, there's a bunch of reasons behind why I'm getting it, and one of the reasons is definitely not just because for pleasure. And I recommend you guys to think the same way, because cars is not the best. It's not. I mean, it's the worst investment, honestly. Remember, guys, I'm going the speed limit. We're on the speed limit. It's too windy right now, frick. I'm gonna go to the lake right now. The lake here is so nice. It's so close by too. Holy. Holy. It's so freaking loud, bro. Oh my goodness. Dude, the freeways are like not open right now. Welcome to LA, bro. On the weekend, everyone's like going out. The good thing's the exit's right here, and then over there it's a highway. But what I think I've noticed about this spot is there's always freaking cops here. Come on. Make some room for me. Oh my goodness. Exhaust is ridiculously loud. So amazing. Oh my gosh, of course there's a cop right here. Literally, I called it, bro. I literally called it. Yeah, there was a cops earlier here, bro. These roads are so nice, but it's just cops central here for some freaking reason. I was recording earlier, but I guess I forgot to click record or something when I saw the cop. So I'm pretty bummed right now, but here's a spot where the lake's at. It's like such a chill little spot. And over there, it's another straightaway, but just way too many freaking cops there. I know that for a fact. But look how freaking nice the lake is, bro. Such vibes. Before, this lake used to be so low, dude. It was like scary, bro. We were like, everyone was freaking out. We're gonna lose freaking water. We're not gonna have enough freaking water. Then out of nowhere, we had like one of the biggest rain freaking storms ever, like in 20 years. Wow, that wine is so sexy. Sheesh, I freaking love that freaking wine. ass rock in the middle. Oh my gosh. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Gosh, that whine is... That's why I got this car, honestly. Out of all the cars I've ever seen or heard, the whine is just... I mean, some people don't like it. Some people just say it sounds like a toy. You're just not a car person then, because I love the supercharger whine, because I know what it means. It means this thing has freaking a lot of power. Like, obviously the car is not as fast as it could be. It's still not slow, you know? It's, I mean, faster than most freaking cars. I just know people be hating on this car because there's so much power but no grip, but dude, I can literally care less, bro. I can literally care less. I love the feeling of this car, dude. I can't imagine how much freaking, how all-wheel drive would be on this freaking car. It'd probably be so freaking amazing. I'm gonna head back onto the freeway. The freeway is such a vibe here, but what I noticed that every single time I go to record, there's just so many cars. I need to do like in the morning or at nighttime, but then at nighttime, like, all it takes is one cop to screw me over. Sheesh, bro. Fire department. So freaking amazing, bro. Oh my freaking goodness, the downshifts are so beautiful. I was planning to buy a Crash TRX this month, but the problems of the price of the car went up a little bit too high. So maybe next year I'll go for one. I really want to go for one. My goal with this, obviously, to keep it for like a year or two, but get rid of it because I won't need the car. You know, it's more just to have fun with it and resell it. Oh my gosh, those burbles are so beautiful. Wine was so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, dude, this car is so nice. On top end, dude, this car feels so much better. Even though like the low end is also really nice, top end is way more fun. Man, everyone's going so slow today, bro. Everyone's going like below the speed limit. It's crazy. I'm going at the speed limit right now, literally. Crazy. Yeah, bro, highway is where it's at. So much more fun on the highway. Holy. This crazy part is that this is supposed to be the fast lane. Like, at least go the speed limit on this freaking side of the freeway. If you're in the fast lane, please go fast. You know what I mean? I'm literally going the speed limit. Come on. Please. There's literally, look how much room is in front of the car in front of this guy. There's so much room. car. Freaking beautiful, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking loud against this wall. Oh, that freaking whine, bro. I'm so curious how it sounds like from the outside, bro. Because I know it's loud from the inside, but from the outside, bro, it's, oh my gosh. Last time I remember, it's been a couple months since I heard it from the outside. It is a whole different freaking world. It gives me goosebumps, dude. I wish it felt the same way it is seeing the car from the outside. Oh my gosh, this freeway is so open right now. So tempting. Goodness, you guys can't hear the whine as loud because obviously I'm on my phone and I can't open the window, but dude, it's so nice right now. Oh my freaking goodness, man. I don't drive this car on the freeway that often, so that's why it's like this is what the reaction you're hearing from me. This is a real reaction, bro, because I don't drive on the freeway at all, bro. It's been like months since I've been on the freeway. Obviously, the last time I've been on the freeway was when I recorded, actually. I don't daily drive this car at all. I literally only drive this car when I'm recording or uploading something for TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. All the above. I'm really excited. I eventually, dude, once I start making some good more money from my side hustles, all the money I make, my goal is to reinvest all of it. And I want to buy more cars, and I for sure want to upgrade cars. That's my main goal, is to upgrade cars. Like I want to get another Hellcat, like an older one, and completely rebuild the whole entire engine. Completely boost the crap out of it. But I need way more money for that. Way more money. What the? Homie was switching lanes, now I'm not. Whatever. But if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like right now. It helps a lot. Make sure you guys also leave a comment on what you guys do for a living and how you guys are doing. And you know, I know a lot of you guys want to buy a car like this, and like I said, dude, you know, if you're gonna buy a car for yourself, start some type of business. Like do whatever you do for a living right now, or no, obviously not what you do for a living, but whatever kind of like special, whatever you're special at, try to start a business in that field. You know, there's so many different fields, bro. There's so many different ways of making money, and you don't need to. Oh, dude, those cars are boosted. I can tell. They're freaking. They're not driving it on the freaking streets, or they just. I don't know. Maybe they just want to just take it for fun. But just start advice. I'm not giving you guys any advice, but from what I heard, is obviously if you start a business, you can buy a car for the business, right? So there's obviously you need to talk to a CPA to get all the right information, but. You know, it's dope, dude. There's so many different ways to make money in this world, and you know, no one really teaches people about it. But pretty much, if I were about to buy a car like this, if I was gonna buy an M5, and let's say I wasn't doing YouTube, I was doing something else, I would literally buy a car and use it for work. Like for example, like let's say I did construction and I wanted to buy a Hellcat, I would probably strip down this whole car, leave the engine, and make this car like so I can put tools in the back, all this stuff. That's the way I would do it, so I can also enjoy the car, but at the same time, oh my goodness. So that's the way I would do it, to enjoy the car, but also work a full-time job and use it for the business. Beautiful, beautiful. car is so beautiful, bro. My goodness. If I would go back, like the next car I would like to buy is honestly another Hellcat, but like a regular Charger, cheap one. Like I said, honestly, like beat up. And I want to rebuild everything. I want to take it apart myself too. That's another thing I want to freaking do. Holy dude, it's so beautiful in California, bro. I love LA so freaking much. Just living here sucks because I pay so much money in taxes, dude. It's unreal. Like, you could be making the same amount of money as me in a different state and pay way less tax. It's freaking ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Dude, I can't. Oh. I'm just so happy I still enjoy the car, and I've had this car for about like, I think 8 months now, which is kind of crazy. I can't believe I had it for this long already. You guys can just see I'm compounding YouTube. I'm not even overthinking it. I'm sure, you know, as long as you do it long enough, I feel like you will always succeed. But if you're gonna rely on YouTube to make you money, bro, run away from freaking YouTube, because you're not gonna make a lot of money in the beginning, especially. I definitely like YouTube because I feel like in the next 5 years, if I don't stop, if I buy M5, if I buy all these other cars, pimp them out, make content, there's just no way they won't do good. You know what I mean? If I'm buying top tier cars from every single brand and then pimping them out eventually, like, come on, that is like, you will succeed. But what is the issue? You need a lot of freaking money. So that's my goal. That's what the future is for my plan. I do want to buy a house. Buying a house is kind of crazy right now. So my goal is to buy like a really simple, chill, small house, honestly, and just get like a 3-car garage with it, hopefully. Because I want to be able to park all my cars inside a garage and work on my cars and maybe get a small little lift inside. But I honestly can't afford a house, dude. Like, I could afford it, but it's just so expensive to buy like even a small freaking house. It's the only reason why I have not got one, bro. And the APY is ridiculous. Screaming right now. Oh, there's a cop in front. I see its lights. Am I just waiting for me? That would suck. I'm gonna hit this bridge and then end the video off. This bridge is nasty over here. I'm gonna roll down all the freaking windows. It's crazy when the windows are rolled down. Oh, yeah, I'm picking up a cop right now. Oh, there's a cop right there, bro. Did it stop someone? Sadly, I was not able to hit the bridge because the vibes I was getting from that car, bro, the cop, I was like, dude, I don't know what he was doing, so just got sketched, so I just went a different way. Oh my freaking goodness. Goodness, those downshifts are so nasty. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. My hair's all messed up right now from the head. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.